Maika or mother's house has its arms, heart and door always open for a woman. This is the story of three daughters of Brij and Mohini Malhotra, Raji, Soni and Mahi. The eldest of the daughters, Raji, gets married to Veer Khurana despite stern objections from her mother-in-law, Durga. Durga has two sons, Veer and Jeet, and daughters Jyoti and Veena. Unhappy with the marriage, Durga teams up with her brother-in-law Sareen to make life difficult for Brij Malhotra, who owed some money to Sareen. Brij's middle daughter Mahi later gets married to Sareen's son Shabd to save her Maika from being auctioned by Durga and Sareen. Unfortunately, one day, a bomb explosion takes place at Malhotra's house caused by a terrorist. The entire Malhotra family dies, including Raji, Mohini and Brij. Life is shattered for the two surviving daughters, Mahi and Soni. They cannot go back to their parents' house because now their Maika doesn't exist. Mahi gets back to her married life with Shabd. On their honeymoon, Shabd finds out that Mahi is not as modern as he expected her to be.
मैंने आज तक कभी प्रोफेशनल मॉडलिंग की ही नहीं। आप जैसी हाई लाइफस्टाइल मेरे लिए नहीं है।
And gets angry and leaves her. Meanwhile, Veer brings the grief-stricken Soni to the Khurana house. Jeet and Soni fall in love, but Durga hates this. In Jeet's absence, she plans to get Soni married to another man. On the wedding day, everyone finds out that Durga was planning on getting Soni married to a very old man, and to save Soni from embarrassment, Veer agrees to marry Soni. Back at the Sareen house, Shabd and Mahi are forced to live together because of the arrival of Shabd's Taiji and Tauji. Mahi unearths the secret behind Shabd's sister Kamya's crazy behavior and Shabd's mother's death. When Shabd finds out that it was his father Sareen who burnt his mother alive, he's devastated and goes into a state of complete shock. Mahi takes care of him. Back at the Khuranas, Jeet is mad at Soni, thinking she betrayed him. This makes Durga happy. To complicate things further, she arranges Jeet's marriage with her friend's daughter, Cherry. Jeet gets married to Cherry, only to get back at Soni. Cherry soon comes to know that Jeet's first love was Soni. In her thirst for revenge, Cherry sends goons behind Soni. Veer reaches on time to save Soni, but he gets shot himself. Veer Khurana dies. Veer's death softens Durga's behavior towards Soni. But now enters Jeet's Bua or aunt, who is a nagging and orthodox woman. She forces Soni to go through a cleansing process. She declares that Soni should have her head shaved off as per the custom. Jeet comes and fights against Bua's outdated ways. He steps ahead and puts sindoor on Soni's head and saves Soni from Bua's torture. The Pandit informs Durga that Soni has heavy horoscope-related problems which can harm her husband Jeet.
जिस भी व्यक्ति पर आपकी बहू की छाया पड़ गई, वो व्यक्ति खत्म.
And suggests a series of tough puja for Soni as a solution to avoid any unforeseen incidences. Soni does the rigorous prayers and rituals, but she becomes seriously unwell and Jeet orders his mother to stop. But Durga wants Soni to continue. Meanwhile, Mahi and Shabd come close, but soon Mahi comes across a boy called Rahul who claims that Shabd is his father.
ये है मेरे पापा, ये है मेरे पापा, ये है मेरे पापा.
Post an incident planned by Cherry, Soni has a miscarriage. And goes into depression that makes Jeet very sad. His car meets with an accident. Durga blames Soni for everything.
तेरे माँ बाप ने ना तेरा नाम सोनी बिल्कुल गलत रखा है. तेरा नाम सोनी नहीं होना चाहिए था. तेरा नाम होना चाहिए था कलमुही, करमजली, खसमुन खानी मनहूस.
Soni's life takes a horrifying twist from here on. Will she ever be able to wipe out the tag of a curse bestowed upon her? Or will she be a victim to Cherry's evil plans? Mahi, on the other hand, is looking for her answers. What happens to a girl when she steps out of the cushioned life that she leads at her Maika and steps into her in-laws' house? Watch the heartwarming story of Mahi and Soni of Maika, Saath Zindagi Bhar Ka.